Good morning. We're waking up here in Klamath and we're heading out today. Make sure these guys are tight. It's raining today. First rain this week, so that was awesome for us. And now we're ready to put the solar panel in and off we go. Good morning, Klamath. Current state of affairs. Oh. Did you take my cashews? Oh, they're right there. Thank you. Alright, I'll meet you in the car.
Well, my point was the ceramic plate that we had got to cook the food on. Last night it cracked because I think it cooled too fast after it was right on the fire. So it goes in the trash and we'll have to get a new one.
An iron one.
An iron pan.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to do with that? I didn't do that part yesterday. We stopped for snacks and a little propane fill-up here at Pemme Fuel Mart. And I learned that Pemme is the cooking oil that they used for their fried bread. I need to correct myself. It's not Yurok, as someone told me, it's Yurok, the Yurok Tribe. And those ceremonial structures we saw yesterday, some of them are sweat lodges. Huh. Let's hit the road.
Oh yeah, you do it. You don't have to do it right now, but.
So this gentleman says that he used to set trailers up and told us we've been doing this wrong.
You get a chance, yeah.
Thanks for stopping to help us.
All right.
Maybe I can pull over here and do it.
Are you guys gonna be parked there for long?
10 minutes. She wants you to move so her customers can get through.
Sorry.
You need a big crescent wrench for microwaves though.
The receiver, just take it out.
Yeah, just take the receiver out. Take the nut off. Flip the hitch over, stick the ball in, put the nut on. The ball will be not there, it'll be here, but flip over there. It'll bring you up 4 more inches. It'll really be a godsend.
Can you check my lights?
We're over an hour outside of Klamath, and we've been traveling in light rain this whole time. It's a little bit foggy here. We're making a stop in this mountain community of Willow Creek. We have spotted the Museum of Bigfoot. I wasn't aware there were enough artifacts to fill an entire museum. This river down here is beautiful. The surrounding mountains.
I think that's still the Trinity River. This is the Shasta Trinity National Forest.
Look at all these sad trees. We're stopped here along the Trinity River. This is the town of Weaverville. National Park. This is a lake over here. The name of it is actually Honey Lake. This is how Derek gets ready.
So this Jayco flight is not 6 foot in
Anything.
height and anything in the interior. I have to spread eagle, stand up straight. You want to see me stand up straight? Well, this is a headache right there. Talk. Tick tock right there. Not to mention, there's a bubble in the top. My head goes in, but it still hits the top, so I still have to go like that. And then the rest of the roof comes around like this. So I gotta squat down, the shower thing above me like that. Tall guy problems.
We just checked into somewhere outside Reno. What's this place called?
Gold RV Resort.
Are you talking?
So we're here at Cabela's
For dinner.
just outside of Reno, in a little town called Nevada. And you can probably see the snow on the mountains back there behind the sign. And the temperature right here,
It's cold.
it's probably 50. So
And we drove all day long.
we drove for 8
We're eating
hours.
fancy dinner at Cabela's. Because that's how we do.
Fancy elk burgers.
Let's go. It's freezing.
They say best fish and chips.
So we're on our way to Sasquatch Tavern and Grill. And
Oh, hang on. We need to be lit.
we parked here. If you ever wondered where exercise equipment goes to die, it's right here. I don't know what this is, but here it is.
So this is not Cabela's. The restaurant Cabela's was closed. So we did some yelping and we came across Sasquatch Bar and Grill.
So these are the 3 fish tacos that the Sasquatch recommended on his menu. What's it called?
Sasquatch Burger, Bigfoot Burger.
And there's Bigfoot right over there.